Good morning students. Up to last class we have seen about the coal and its type, how the coal is formed and what are the types of coal. Now today we will discuss destructive distillation of the coal. Actually, when coal is heated at very high temperature about 1000 degree Celsius. When we heat coal about 1000 degree Celsius, the various products are obtained. And these products are known as products of destructive distillation of the coal. Now look over here, what is going on here. Look, this is an apparatus in laboratory that we use. In this laboratory there is a tube, test tube you can see. In this test tube there is coal we have filled over here. We heat it with the burner. Hit the test tube with the burner. When we heat the burner with the help of the burner at very high temperature, the coal produce various products. What products are formed during the destructive means break ho jana. Coal completely broken down into some products. And what are these products? So look over here. This is the boiling tube, and from this tube the material collect over here. By the coal, when coal is heated, it produces following products. Number one, coal tar. Coal tar, you know well, surfacing the road, damer, that is coal tar. Right? Second one, coal gas. Coal gas is used as a fuel in industries. Next one is the coke. Coke, we have learnt in last chapter that the various form of the carbon, graphite, diamond and coal. Along with the coal, the purest form of the coal is called as coke. Coke is the purest form of the coal. Next one, ammonium compounds. Various ammonium compounds are obtained over here. Ammonia compound. And when these ammonium compounds aid in the water, pass through the water, it produces ammoniacal liquor. And this ammoniacal liquor is important to us. Why? It is used to manufacturing a number of nitrogen fertilizers. It is used to synthesize, produce nitrogen fertilizer. Now we are going to discuss one by one. Coal tar, coal gas, coke, ammonium compounds. Now look at first coal tar. Coal tar is obtained by destructive distillation of the coal. It is the thick liquid material. Produced as a drops, right? So, and it is the source of a number of important compounds like the benzene, phenol, naphthalene. Naphthalene, you know, naphthalene balls you use as a insect repellent, repulsion to insects. कपड़ों के बीच में रख देते ना उसको, नेप्थेलिन बॉल्स, कपूर की गोलियां जिनको कहते हैं, These are naphthalene balls. Got it? Benzene, phenol, naphthalene balls. And it is also these products. These products are also used in industries and making the dyes, paint, drugs, right? And some of the plastics, explosives, plastics. Which is the raw material of the plastics? Coal tar. Coal tar is the raw material of the plastics. Coal tar and its products. Revise once again. It is obtained as a collected drops by the destructive distillation of the coal. It is the liquid part. Second one, it is the important source of many important compounds like the benzene, phenol, naphthalene, which are used into the industries for dyes, paints, drugs, to making explosives and plastics. Now next one is the coal gas. Coal gas is a fuel. Coal gas is used as a fuel in industries जहाँ पर destructive distillation हो रहा है उसके आसपास जो फैक्ट्रीज हैं उनमें हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे, इसको यूज कर देंगे because it is easy to carry, transport nearby to the place site of the destructive distillation. So coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide and some other gases. Coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide and some other gases. It is used as a fuel. Now look, coke. Coke is the residue left behind as a residue of destructive distillation of the coal, and it is the non-pollutant fuel and used to produce many gaseous fuel. It is used to produce many gaseous fuel like the water gas, producer gas, water gas and producer gas. The coke is the purest form of the carbon. In the competitive examination, most important question, which is the purest form of the carbon? Coke. Coke is the purest form of the carbon, and it is commonly used or widely used in the extraction of the metals. Metallic extraction, metals को obtain करने के लिए हम इसको use करते हैं. Metallic extraction of the, right? How the producer gas and water gas are produced? When water stream is passed through the over the coke, coke के ऊपर से steam pass कर रहे हैं. When we pass the steam over the coke, it produce the water gas. Water gas is a combination of carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. Like this, when through the coke, when we pass the air, air is a mixture of air. You know well, air is a mixture of a number of gases and mainly oxygen and nitrogen. Nitrogen and oxygen. When we pass this, it produces the producer gas. Producer gas, carbon, a combination of carbon monoxide and nitrogen. You must know about it that at earlier time, जब start हुआ था, at earlier time the water gas was used as a fuel. उस टाइम पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं था ना, तो in London, in Britain, in such kind of the big cities, the water gas was used as a source of the light. लाइट के लिए इसको यूज करते थे। जैसे हम लोग मशाल जलाते ना, वैसे इसको लाइटनिंग के लिए यूज करते थे। सो दिस इज द वाटर गैस, दिस इज प्रोड्यूसर गैस। नाउ वन अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट इज द ammonium compounds. Ammonium compounds are also produced as a product of the destructive distillation of coal. And these ammonium compounds when mixed in the water, dissolve into the water, it produce ammoniacal liquor. It produce ammoniacal liquor, and ammoniacal liquor is used as a raw material for making the fertilizers, a number of chemical fertilizers. Thank you.